Incredible discovery. Complete Hermes statue unearthed in ancient Bulgarian city. Hey everyone! Today we're diving into an amazing archaeological discovery that's making waves in the world of ancient history. Buckle up for a journey to the ancient city of Heraclea in modern-day Bulgaria. Archaeologists led by Professor Lyudmil Vagalinski have uncovered something truly special, a perfectly preserved marble statue of Hermes, the Greek god of commerce, thieves, and travelers. What makes this find so incredible? Well, for starters, it's over 2 meters tall, that's more than 6.6 feet. It's in near perfect condition. Usually statues are found in pieces. This is the first complete statue ever found in this region. The team discovered this beauty while cleaning out the ancient city's main sewer system, known as the Cloaca Maxima. Now, let's get into some history. Heraclea was founded way back between 356 and 339 BC by Philip II of Macedon, Alexander the Great's dad. It was a thriving city until a massive earthquake hit around 425 AD. Here's where it gets interesting. The archaeologists think this statue was purposely buried after that earthquake. Why? Well, by the 5th century, Christianity was becoming the big religion in the Roman Empire. Pagan statues like our buddy Hermes here were often hidden away or repurposed. As one of the 12 Olympian deities, Hermes held a prominent place in ancient Greek mythology. This multifaceted god presided over various domains, including commerce, prosperity, chance, fecundity, and animal husbandry. He was also associated with sleep, language, thievery, and travel. Renowned for his wit and mischievous nature, Hermes served as the messenger and herald of the gods. In this role, he became a symbol of transition, guiding souls between the mortal realm and the divine. Hermes' clever and inquisitive spirit led him to invent several important tools and concepts. He created the lyre, developed the alphabet, and invented dice, the last of which made him particularly popular among gamblers. As a patron of shepherds, he also devised the panpipes they used to corral their flocks. In Roman mythology, this god was known as Mercury. So, what's next for this amazing find? The statue is headed to the Petric Museum for some TLC restoration and conservation. Soon, visitors will be able to see this incredible piece of history up close. What do you think about this discovery? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing archaeological finds. Thanks for watching, and remember, you never know what treasures might be hiding right beneath our feet.